Yeah. Oh, nagkantigdulaan, oh.
Mommy,
What?
maybe that character's here.
Yeah, we can just put there.
That character.
Yeah. Paano ako magliligpit nito araw-araw? Kung ganito. Paano? Tell me. Tell me. Paano ito ligpitin araw-araw? Kung ganito kakalat. What's that?
It's the basketball.
The basketball. This one? Ay, kakapoy. Ano si Aris taga-adlaw. Ha?
We must find the ball.
Yeah, we must find the ball. Oh. Grabe kakalat, oh. Find it, kay kapoy na ko. Find the ball.